All right, are you working? Everything is like, okay. Guys, so I've had these Triumph boxes in the garage for a while, and it's snowing today because today's high, I think, is like 20 or something in Atlanta, Georgia. I don't know what's going on, so we're definitely not gonna be riding today. We're gonna open all these damn boxes because I legit have no clue with them. You know what? I'm gonna go get you guys snow just so I can prove that it's actually snowing. Also, I'm wearing gloves because there's no way I'm touching that shit with my hands. My God, it's freezing. Look at this. Look at it. Freaking snow. Okay, so because of this, we're not gonna ride, but luckily I have plenty of things to do in the garage. All right, now that I've proven the weather, let's open boxes. So I guess I should probably tell you guys why these boxes are here. So here's how that worked. I messaged Triumph and I was like, hey guys, still haven't done anything with this Daytona. Had a really busy 2017, but the people have been asking, I want to do something with the Daytona. And I was like, do you guys want to do you guys have custom accessories you want to send over and stuff like that? And they were like, yeah, we'll send you some stuff. And then these showed up. It was actually a funny story. When me and Heather went to South Georgia, which is where our family is from, and we came back from Christmas break, these were sitting in our front door, which was a very interesting way to bring in the new year. I just want a moment, like these boxes are almost as tall as I am, so awesome. All right, first box on the list. There's writing in here about probably telling me what this stuff is, but what fun is that? Triumph gave me air. Just kidding, Triumph. Slider, check. Okay, thank God, because, you know, wrecking is inevitable. This says frame protector kit. Oh, that's pretty cool. I guess that goes on the frame. All right, I'm gonna leave all that stuff. Frame protector, more protection things. Clutch cover protector, they sent me protector stuff. What do you think I'm gonna do, Triumph wreck? I'm just kidding. Now this box looks fancy. Oh wow, what a lackluster opening. Oh, that's the tail thing. Okay, cool. All right, next, oh God, next box. I gotta, hold on. Oh God, shit. There's shit everywhere. I'm okay. Christ. That was so loud, Heather, I guarantee you was gonna come down here and check. Box number 2. Yeah. Oh, I'm okay, I'm alive. I stepped on bubbles. What? I stepped on, yeah, there was a lot of it. So far, we're looking at protecting things. Amazon, you could learn. Oh my God. This looks like the exact same thing as the other box. Did they send me duplicates? Guys, I think they sent me duplicates of things. I legit think they did. What the hell is it? Rear set adjustment standard shift. Oh, it's backwards. Just like screws. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to show you guys these in a second. I'm gonna get all this unboxed and then I'll lay it out and show you guys. This should probably go back in here. Another slider. This garage is currently in shambles. Oh my God, okay. I legit think I could fit inside of this box. My God. I don't know what that is. Ugh. I think. All right, hold on. Let me, before I comment, I want to confirm my thoughts. I'm gonna clean this up really quick because I think I got duplicates. Holy snap. Oh my God. Y'all, there's so much shit over here. So it looks like Triumph hooked me up with all of their accessories, and there are duplicates, in some cases triplicates of the things they sent. But check all this stuff out. So from what I can tell is I have frame protectors. I've got a new tail bag, like a Triumph tail bag. I've got engine case cover protectors, front fork sliders, brand new dope looking freaking rear sets, rear wheel adjusters, oil plug, oil drain plug. All of that is that red. Holy crap, guys. Okay, so first off, massive shout out to Triumph. Holy crap, I did not expect them to send me so many things. Secondly, there are way too many things for me to try to install all of this stuff in one video. I ain't trying to pull no Walterific with his brand new, totally fixed up R6 situation. So I think here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do different videos where I install all of these parts. So guys, obviously there is way too much stuff here for me to do in one video, like install everything. So I think here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do separate videos where I install all of this stuff, which is so freaking crazy. But I do have some extra stuff. If you've noticed, I've got an extra set of rear sets, which is freaking awesome. I've got 2 extra sets of the tail tidy, 2 extra sets of the sliders. I've got 2 extra sets of the frame protection. So with all this extra stuff, I want to give it away. I don't want to keep on, like, hold on to it. So I think what I'll do is I'll have one big bundle where I give somebody rear sets, tail tidy, frame protection, engine protection, front wheel sliders. One person will get all of that stuff, and then somebody else will get an extra tail tidy. They'll get a tail tidy, a slider, a thing. I'll list everything in the description down below, all the individual things, like prize like 1, 2, and 3. And I guess the best way to do that is you comment every single video that I do on the customization of the Daytona. I'll title it something so you guys know, and I'll let you guys know what the title is down below. When you see those videos, I'll let you know how many of them are, and if you comment on every single one of those videos, you don't have to comment anything specific, just something about the video. If you comment in every one of those videos, I will pick one of those winners, and I'll let them know on the, probably on my Instagram page, C2W Picks. So I think that's the best way to do this, guys. This is so freaking awesome. Triumph, huge shout out. You guys, go let Triumph know that's awesome. Just send Chase all this stuff, and then, you know, now I've got extra stuff, and I'll just give it to you guys, because I'm not gonna say I've got enough stuff in this garage. So, I think I'm gonna call that the video, though. I don't wanna get into anything else before I start getting all this stuff on. So, my legs are dying. Oh my God. So, that's freaking cool. I've been so curious what's in those boxes, so I'm glad to finally answer the question. If you guys are interested in more information about how to get the giveaway stuff that I'm giving out, just check the description. I'll put all the information you need to know down there. And hopefully you guys are looking forward to these future videos where I'm installing all of this stuff. I gotta figure out how the hell to do that, but I'll title it something so you guys know all the Daytona stuff. Anyways, guys, I'm Chaseontwowheels. Hopefully you enjoyed boxes of Triumphs and unboxing and stuff like that. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys go out there and ride positive. And let's modify the Triumph, huh? That's so awesome. I love it. Outro crew, one of you guys has to get this stuff. Please, just, I would feel so bad if somebody in the outro crew didn't win one of these things. So cool, holy shit.